Hey everybody, and welcome to the next 3 Ways in Flame. Now this one's going to be on a very important topic that everyone should know, which is color matching. So we're going to show 3 different nodes in batch that can be used to perform color matching. So let's just dive right in. So I'm going to start with, we're going to do this very simple because again, it's just the foundation of what we're trying to do. You know, it's going to be different and you'll want to apply maths and certain things, but this is it in its truest form and in very regular tools that most people will use. So what I've got is just a gradient, default black to white gradient, and then this color source here, which is our white, and that's going to be our target color. So technique that exists that most people know is in the color corrector. So if we correct the front and then the back, which is the white, and let's press F1 to view the front. And if we select in this plot and just select in there, and I'm just going to control drag on the black, and then press F2 to go to the back. I'm going to select in the back, control drag, press F4, and then I'm going to go to the curves here and just press match, and you see it applies a color match that way. Now this way can be problematic because of what it does to the curves, and there's other ways to plant them in here, but you know, for sometimes that's going to give you what you want, and you know, it's a pretty good automated way of color matching that works. Another way is the color warper. So again, we're going to do the same thing. So connect the front and the back. I'm going to press F1, and our matching occurs in here. So right now I'm going to select, and I'm just going to control drag around the darkest point, and then I'm going to press F2, and I'm going to control drag around the white, and press F4, and you see it's done a slightly different job, but again, we could tweak if we wanted and just pull up on the white if we had to. So that's another way to apply color matches. The other way, which is again, most people might not know, which is the MD color tuner, which is a plugin that's paid. It's a matchbox, but worth every cent. So the way this one works, I'm just going to add, so input 1, and then we have an option for mat 2, which all of these do, all of these techniques, and then for input 3, which will be the back. So if I double click on this and press F1, first thing I want to do is choose my ratch. So my reference color should be from input 3. So if I press F4, you see there's these handy things with icons, but also it's telling us this is our reference, and of course our reference is white everywhere. So again, this is just showing it in its simplest form. So we know that we want our reference to be white, and then we know we want our target to be black. So if we turn on auto RGB match, bang, we get there straight away, which is quite cool. The other thing, if you just want to dial this in, and again, if we just turn on auto luma match, you see as we pull our target and then get to where it's completely black, we get a little handy guy that comes up and says match as well. So again, each of these ways are all useful in their own way. You know, I really use this MD color tuner a lot because it can, there's a lot more controls and it can be a lot more precise if you're used to color matching in other pieces of software. So that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more.